Well, afternoon, YouTubers. Labor Day, Monday. August? September. Who knows anymore. Been working on my dash. You see, I have my speedometer way over there. I put in air vents. My tack is there. I have a new blinker wiper switch coming in. Hopefully next week. The Bradley GTII uses a toggle switch for the wiper, so they have a tendency of cutting them off. This is a cheap little radio. Does have backup. So I got 2 power plugs, cigarette lighter, the Bradley gauges, an air vent, emergency flasher switch, and headlight switch. As you can probably tell, I have a LED bulb sitting on the ground. That really helps lighten things up. I did put my idiot lights in. Looks like I screwed up and made one of them crooked. This bevel kit, wiring kit, is really nice. Hard to read, but they are actually labeled about every 6 inches. This is my ignition switch. This is my turn signal switch. Nope, this is a headlight switch. You get put over here. Okay, going on down. These are my turn signals wires. These are the stock wires that were on the key. Let me try and run around the side here. Got the fuse panel mounted. The wires go in to the back inside this hole. Wires are going to the front inside that hole. And a little trick I did was I drilled holes in the dash and put a tie wrap around it. And I put a tie wrap around that, which will lock down the wires. So it'll be nice and neat back here. I do have speedometer hooked up. Tack is hooked up. I hope I have it correct. And the back of the radio, I'm kind of tight in here. Back of the gauges are hooked up. This is the emergency switch, emergency flasher, and the headlight switch is over here with these wires, and my 3 12-volt plugs. That's about all I've gotten done so far. Took all the old wiring out and trying to put in new. Keep it tight, organized. It's got the standard Volkswagen wiper assembly, I believe a 2-speed. It will get plugged into the steering column. There's the front harness hanging down. Guy has LED lights in the front. I believe they're set up for driving lights and turn signals. The headlight buckets are wired. I got the wires down. I do need to put in side marker lights, front and back. Another little project. Hang on, it's going to get busy. Oh! Oops, it went right. I'm in the process of hooking up a 4-inch electric activator arm. I like calling them rams. Basically will fit like this. I used the nut, the sleeve nut. So I had to grind down the ram a little bit so it would fit. This thing is spring loaded, so it helps. Move inside here. This will get bolted to the side panel with a nail bracket, and that should mount that, and the wires go inside. If anybody knows how to hook up an electric ram to a headlight switch so that it will go up and down, I can figure going up. I don't know about getting power to go down. Okay, moving on. I thought this thing had a pause button. Anyway. A lot easier with the body off. The frame is... I can roll the frame in and out from underneath here. Down inside here, there's an electric solenoid for both doors. It's got it mounted in there. There's my new harness going to the back. All nicely freshly taped up and protected. And the electric ram operates the bear claw latch. Kind of nice how he did this. Could be better, but it's nice. These screws should be recessed. This is inside look of the vent. I think painting that black would be nice. There's the wiring for the other door. He also has one on the back ledge for the window. And that's these wires. So that's about an update. Had my friend 3D print a little box which slides over this vent. So I'll have 3 air vents coming through. I do have a AC heater blower that I'll be putting inside here. If I do put a Subaru in here, I can have a heater and an air conditioner. I don't think Volkswagens are good enough for air conditioning. They have no power to begin with. So that's about it. For once, a short one, I guess. Have a good week. Get out in the garage. Do Bill's challenge and get it done by May Day. And I've started. Bye.